given a recurrence relation is T of n equal to 3t n by 2 plus big O of n. For solving this relation, first we have given an n which is divided into 3 parts of n by 2 plus each part takes some constant time, some linear time, that is big O of n. I have divided this n into 3 parts n by 2, and for solving this we need a constant time into some n. Next, again this n by 2 is divided into n by 4 parts of 3. For solving this recurrence, for solving n by 4, if we substitute n by 2 here, we will get as 3t n by 4 plus big O of n by 2. So, even if it is big O of n by 2, we can take it as big O of n. Now, there are total of 3 recurrence relations, so that it will take a constant time 3 times c into some n by 2. Next, this n by 4 is divided into n by 8 of 3 parts. For solving this, for 1 n by 2 there are 3 n by 4s. So for 3 n by 2s there will be 9 n by 4s. So it will be 9 into c n by 4. Now if we continue to proceed this tree like this, it will somehow become n by 2 power k, that is equal to 1. It will be also some 2 power k, some k into n by 2 power k. But we need to know the value of k. We know that n by 2 power k equal to 1. So by solving this we will get as 2 power k equal to n, and if we apply log on both sides, we will get log equal to log base 2 n. If we substitute this for total time, we need to calculate as T of n equal to constant time into n plus 3 into constant time into n by 2 plus 9 into constant time into n by 4 plus so and so till
Continue.
T of n equal to c times n plus c times 3n by 2 plus c times c times 9n by 4 plus so and so up to some log n base 2 times. If we solve this, we will get as, if we take cn as common, we will get 1 plus 3 by 2 plus 9 by 4 plus so and so. If we see this, we can write it as c by n into 3 by 2 power 0 plus, it is in geometric progression. Geometric progression, we know that formula is a into a power log n times minus 1 by 3 by 2 minus 1. Means we will get a c into n into this will be equal to 2, and
Two will be cancelled.
this will be some 3 power log n base 2 by 2 power log n base 2 minus 1 by minus 1, and we know that this is equal to 1 n. So the answer will be 2 into c n into 3 power log n base 2 equal to n power log 2 base 3 minus this will be n by n. This n and this n will be cancelled, and it is some constant times. We can write it as big O of n power log 3 base 2.